Alright, here we are at Echo Lake. This is the trailhead for Chicago Lakes Trail. We're going to head down that trail and make a little camp and cook something to eat. Alright, I have Loki with me this time. He's been looking forward to a adventure. Kind of a teepee thing going here. Alright, we're gonna make a little coffee first. Then we'll make some omelets. Fire's going good, probably about boiling. It's time for a little coffee, and then we'll start cooking up our omelets. Loki's over there, as happy as can be with his chew toy getting all nasty and chewing it into oblivion. Boiling? Oh yeah, it's boiling. Got a nice hot bed of coals there. Throw the sausage on. All right, successful breakfast in the woods. Fire's still going there. We'll start putting that out. Got a little camp here set up. Tarp, bags, dog. He was fine when he had a chew toy, but he's still a little puppy and he's wandering around and eating dirt and stuff. So I think it's probably about time to start packing up. So I think we had a successful little camp out here. Good breakfast. I'm chilling in my tarp because it's snowing a little bit out there. I'll turn the camera over and show you guys. But good time with Loki. I think he's eating the grease out of the snow. So diarrhea tonight. All right. So this is where we are. We didn't hike in too far on the Chicago Lakes Trail, just a little bit, and then we went off of the trail, bushwhacked a little bit, and came out to this spot. It's beautiful out here, snowing. I think it was a little less than 30 degrees. Here's the dog. It's just, I don't know, he's trying to get all that grease or what he's doing, but yeah, it's about 30 degrees out, maybe a little bit colder, but it doesn't feel too bad. There's no wind, which is nice. So yeah, I'll take a little bit more video on the hike out or the snowshoe out, and I'm gonna start packing up. All packed up. So the snowshoes are absolutely necessary here. You can see where people are post-holing. I don't have anything to say, but how's my beard look? How do you think? This is a fun little hike. We'll see you next time. Loki, what are you doing? Up, up, come on, up. All right, back in the Jeep. Good hike and lunch. I think it's time for a beer.
Here, you can set up that shot.
This is all recording?
Yeah.
Okay.